Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. No one would have imagined that India and Russia would be coming up with the world's fastest supersonic cruise missile BrahMos when they test fired the same for the first time from the integrated test range at Chandipur in Orissa coast in June 2001. June 2021 marks 20 years of the successful story behind the BrahMos missile, so I thought of making a video to run through an overview of this particular missile and the history and its evolution. So let's begin with the venture and the name selection of this missile. The BrahMos missile has been developed as a joint venture between India and Russia, forming the BrahMos Aerospace. The Defense Research and Development Organization, which is DRDO of India, and the Federal State Unitary Enterprise NPOM of Russia form the BrahMos Aerospace. This intergovernment agreement was signed during February 1998, with India holding a 50.5% share and Russia holding 49.5% share. The name BrahMos was formed using the names of two rivers, the Brahmaputra in India, the Moskova in Russia. Taking the first four characters from Brahmaputra and first three characters from Moskova forms the BrahMos. BrahMos missiles can be launched from land, air and sea, so this makes it to be part of Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy fleets. Indian Army can launch these missiles using launchers mounted on trucks like Tatra 816 based mobile autonomous launchers, trailer mounted or fixed installation platforms. Indian Army has deployed BrahMos along with long-range cruise missile Nirbhay, an Akash surface-to-air missile to deter the Chinese aggression along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. Coming to Indian Air Force has integrated BrahMos missile with Sukhoi Su-30MK fighters as their platform. The BrahMos A is a modified air-launched variant of the missile with a range of 500 km, which can be launched from a Sukhoi Su-30MK as a standoff weapon. To reduce the missile's weight to 2.5 tons, many modifications were made, like using a small booster, adding fins for airborne stability after launch, and relocating the connector. Indian Navy used their frigates, destroyers and submarines as their platform to launch these BrahMos missiles, and to name a few, the following ship classes of Indian Navy are or will be equipped with BrahMos: the Nilgiri class frigate, the Talwar class frigate, the Shivali class frigate, the Kolkata class destroyer, Vishakhapatnam class destroyer and Rajput class destroyers. The BrahMos Aerospace is currently developing a couple of other variants of BrahMos cruise missiles, which includes the BrahMos 2, the BrahMos NG or next generation, and 1500 km plus extended range of BrahMos. Not just that, Russia and India are all set to come up with a new BrahMos missile, which would be capable of downing an aircraft with airborne warning and control system, and this is expected to be launched by 2024 tentatively. Development of an unmanned combat air vehicle variant of the upcoming hypersonic missile is also in process, which would help the missile to deliver its payload and return to base. Several countries including Vietnam, Brazil, South Africa, Egypt, Oman and Brunei have expressed their interest in this BrahMos missile. Even Malaysia is considering buying these missiles for their Kedah class warships. So that was a quick video on BrahMos missile entering the 20th year from the time it was first test fired. We also saw a quick overview of the same. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.